Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with water. We'll explore various methods that utilize this essential element to transform ingredients. From gentle simmering to rapid boiling, water plays a vital role in countless dishes. You'll learn how to control temperature and technique to achieve perfect textures and flavors, making your meals both delicious and nutritious. Let's dive into the wonderful world of water-based cooking. Boiling is a vigorous method, reaching 212 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for cooking pasta or quickly blanching vegetables to retain their vibrant color. Simmering, on the other hand, is a much gentler process, with temperatures typically between 185 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This method is excellent for developing rich flavors in soups and stews, or for slowly tenderizing tougher cuts of meat over several hours. Steaming is a fantastic way to cook food gently, using hot vapor to preserve nutrients and natural flavors. It's perfect for vegetables, keeping them crisp, or for delicate fish, ensuring a tender texture. Poaching involves cooking food in a liquid, like water or broth, at a very low temperature, typically between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This method is ideal for creating perfectly moist poached eggs or succulent chicken breasts. Beyond cooking methods, water is a crucial ingredient itself, forming the base for delicious broths, stocks, and many sauces. It acts as a solvent, helping to extract and distribute flavors from your ingredients, ensuring a well-balanced dish. Remember to adjust the amount of water to achieve your desired consistency, whether it's a thick stew or a light soup. Using filtered water can also significantly enhance the overall taste of your culinary masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.